As usual, we know that we are suffering from this COVID-19. In this batch, we are having many finance problems. I had a 10th in SSLC 99.04, so I got a good percent.
When your parents were forced you to stop the studies because of the financial economical problem, don't give up.
डॉक्टर्स हो सब, क्योंकि मुझे बहुत ख्वाहिश थी कंप्लीट करने की, नहीं हो सका। मैं चाह रही थी कि मेरा एक ही मंतव्य है, हमारी कम्युनिटी के बच्चे पीछे ना रहें, लड़कियां आगे बढ़े।
Alhamdulillah, Allah has made it so powerful.
Mashallah, it's not what we have, it's how we take things in our hands. Inshallah, that is more important. Adversity में भी अच्छी चीज़ां चुनना, माशाल्लाह. There will be so many good things which ये सोच लेकर रहेगा तो we will not look at the bright things.
COVID-19 changed our lives and the way we live, with a more digitalized outlook and picking up a virtual lifestyle. There were many ways in which the pandemic affected us. One major problem was education. Lakhs of students dropped out of higher education. The BAZM-E-NISWAN Charitable Trust is a group of women with a vision on the march of service. Since 1971, they have given scholarships to more than 63,000 girls to complete their higher education. They are playing their part to ensure the support underprivileged girls would need for their education and have launched the BAZM-E-NISWAN online software application. The application was open for 60 days from October to November 2021 for students to apply across Bangalore. They have managed to select and provide scholarships to 3,613 students with an amount of rupees 1 crore 32 lakhs.
Because I wanted our community girls to be educated, graduate, डॉक्टर्स हो सब, क्योंकि मुझे बहुत ख्वाहिश थी कंप्लीट करने की, नहीं हो सका। मैं चाह रही थी कि मेरा एक ही मंतव्य है, हमारी कम्युनिटी के बच्चे पीछे ना रहें, लड़कियां आगे बढ़े। तो it was nice, good for me to work with the ladies and girls. So I started this.
SSLC 99.04, so I got a good percent, so my father from college they gave a free seat, so I'm studying in Master Pius College. So my aim is to become an engineer, so I'm taking a NEET course and JEE. If I get a NEET very good percentage, then I will be able to go for doctor, but my mother is saying to go join for engineering. If her dream is to become a engineering, so I will try my level best to become engineer.
My mom is housewife, my father is auto driver. We total 3 members, and I'm the middle one. I have an elder sister and I have an younger sister. My younger sister was studying in 4th standard. My sister scored distinction in SSLC, but due to financial problems, we have stopped her studies. But I am now continuing my studies. I have got 98.14% in 10th SSLC. I got 615 out of 625.